Alright guys, make sure you check out the website. We've added thousands and thousands of awesome motorcycle parts. We've got apparel on there. We've got extended front forks, fenders, frames, anything you can think of. Check it out. Right guys, I've been piddling with the Shovelhead here. And right now I'm changing over these rocker bolts here, going from the Allen head to these big chunky 1-inch ones there, mainly to get this one, which has a fitting on here. I gotta get spun around so I can put this oil pressure gauge on, just to have a worry gauge for no reason. But that's the other three I took out of there, and those look pretty good. Those old original ones were kind of sad looking anyways, so. But looking pretty good. So anyways, we'll see how it works. There it is. It works. It looks pretty good. All right, there's the battery we got on here, which is a Walmart lawn and garden battery, and it actually works pretty good. If you trim the cover and kind of work around the strap on there, you can actually make it fit. And it's not super obvious by any means, since it still pretty much has the cover on there, but the terminals are much easier to get to. And I did put some foam padding around it. It's a little bit smaller, this one is, and maybe other ones that might work better than this, but seems to be pretty good. And the rocker bolts look pretty good. The gauge is all working. Sweet. Right guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.